Every sales receipt or invoice created in QuickBooks needs to specify an item sales tax. It will help QuickBooks calculate your total sales revenue for a specific tax judiciary, regardless of if you need to pay sales tax for that judiciary or not. For this reason, you need to create tax mappings in Teapplix ActionShip. On the QuickBooks Integration Setup page, you can specify the default sales tax item, which will be used on each sales receipt or invoice. Please note that specifying an item sales tax does not mean that you will need to remit tax on that sale. There is also a custom code on each sales receipt or invoice to specify if it is taxable or not. Now, in most states, many marketplaces will automatically remit tax on your behalf, and the orders from those states will be marked as not taxable. For taxable sales, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the tax value you need to remit using the tax rate you set up in the tax item. If you do not want QuickBooks to calculate the tax and want to save the exact tax value charged on the marketplace, please contact our support team to make a customization so that the original tax value from the marketplace will be included in the body of the sales receipt or invoice as a sales item. If you are selling in multiple states and would like to use separate sales tax items for each state, you can go to the QuickBooks Tax Mapping page in your ActionShip account and create a tax mapping for each of those states. Click Add One, specify the state, and select the corresponding tax item from QuickBooks. By default, QuickBooks will calculate the tax. If you want the tax to be included in the body of the sales receipt or invoice, choose Export Tax as Line. If you would like to learn more about QuickBooks integration in ActionShip, please click the Help button on the top of the page.